the Picasso, the Citroen Xsara. A little bit about the car. In this video we will locate the OBD. So let's aim for this panel here. Just pops out. Now you'll be presented with fuses, and just tucked underneath there, you can see it from here. This is a connector. So we'll head towards the engine bay and see if there's a auxiliary fuses. Pop the bonnet on this side. With that open, if you head to over here, you've got a symbol of the fuses. Come on. A little bit of jiggling, that'll give you enough space here. It's easy when you know how. Right. There you go. And that's your auxiliary fuse box.